Hello, in this video I want to show you how to access a filter in Medion X50 SW. To do this, we'll need to open the hatch on our robot just like this. Inside you can find the dustbin. To remove it, you will need to press on this button and then put your other finger right here and then simply pull out the dustbin. Inside you can find the filter right here. You can also remove it with that green thing, and then if you want to clean it, you can put it under the running water, but before inserting it back, you will need to dry it out well, so be sure of that. And that's how you access the filter. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.